Students, let's see few more questions of exercise 12.2. Up to 4 we have discussed. Question number 5. Find the difference between this and this. This two expression is given. You have to find the difference between them. So difference between means we have to subtract. So we will subtract this and this. Okay. So write down two expression and give the sign of subtraction in between. Next, what we will do? AB plus 3BC plus 2A square minus, there is a minus sign before the bracket, so inside all the sign will get changed. It will become in minus 5A square. It is in minus, so it will become in plus 6B square minus 10AB. It is plus, so it will be minus because bracket is opening. Okay, now AB, write down the like terms together. AB, is there any AB? Yes, AB. So AB minus 10AB. Okay, and then BC plus 3BC. Is there any BC? No. Okay, 2A square minus 5A square plus 6B square. Like terms we have written together. Now AB minus 10AB. 10AB minus 1AB would be equal to 9AB. But this is bigger, so its sign will be minus. Okay, 3BC will be as it is because there is no more terms of BC. 2A square minus 5A square plus minus minus 5 minus 2, 3A square, but it is bigger than 2, so its sign is minus, so we will give the sign of minus here. Plus 6B square. Now you can see there is no any other term, there is no any like term, so answer will be this one. Okay. Question number 6. What should be subtracted from this to get this? Means what we will subtract from this expression so that we will get this expression. Okay. So we will have to let's suppose any expression is there. A is an expression which will be subtract from this expression so that we will get this. Write down. Let the expression A should be subtracted from this to get this. So I have written this expression. Suppose A is any expression which is to be subtracted from this to get this. So write down like this. Now we have to get the value of this expression A. So what we will do? It is in minus. We will send this A this side. So it will come in plus. And we will take this full expression this side because we have to subtract. So write down first this one as it is. Minus 2x square plus 10. This one we will write this side. Minus 2xy plus 12. Why I am writing with bracket? Because now I will open the bracket because there is a minus sign. Be careful with the minus sign because whenever before the bracket there is minus sign, then we have to change all the sign. Minus 7y square, this is in minus, so it will become in plus 2xy minus 12 is equal to A. This expression we are going to find out. Okay. Now xy term we will write together. 3xy plus 2xy, there is xy, no more xy. Now 5y square minus 7y square minus 2x square plus 10 minus 12 is equal to A. Okay, 3xy plus 2xy, we will get 5xy. 5y square minus 7 plus minus 7 minus 5, 2y square, which is bigger, 7. So its sign is minus, so we will give here minus sign. X square is only 1, so write down as it is. Plus minus minus constant term, 12 minus 10, 2. Its sign is bigger. This is bigger, so it has minus sign. We will give here minus sign. This is the expression which is to be subtracted from this expression to get this. This is the way you can solve. Now next question number 7. Subtract this from the sum of this and this. Means first of all what we will do, we will sum these two expression. Whatever the result we will get, we have to subtract this expression from that. Okay. So here we will first of all write down this two expression which we have to add. Sum of this two expression we have to find out. So add it first. 3pq plus 2pq square plus 5. Now open the bracket, plus minus minus 30 pq plus minus minus 12 pq square plus 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 10. Add it fastly. 3 pq you have to write together. This is pq square minus 12 pq square plus 10. 3 pq minus 30 pq. 30 minus 3 we will get 27 pq. Sign is minus, so we'll give here minus. Okay, now pq square, and here is also pq square. So plus minus minus 12 minus 2 10 minus 10 pq square. Why minus? Because 12 is bigger than 2. Okay, now plus 5 and plus 10 plus 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 15. This is the sum of these two expression. Now we have to subtract this from that sum. Okay, so from that sum means we are going to subtract this. So we will write this one first, because we have to subtract this expression from this. What is the expression? 5pq plus 5p square plus 5pq square. Okay, now subtract. Minus 27 pq minus 10 pq square plus 15. There is a minus sign. We will have to change all the sign inside the bracket when the bracket will open. Minus 27 pq. There is also pq. So pq minus minus you can plus. 27 plus 5 32 pq. Minus minus plus, so we will give the sign of minus. Pq square 10 and pq square 5. Minus plus minus. Minus 5 pq square. This is a pq only. Pq square. P square. There is no other term of p square, so we will write it as it is. This is a constant term and there is no more constant term, so will be this only the answer. Okay, what we have done? We have added these two expression and then subtracted that the sum of two expression from this. Got it? Question number 8. The sum of two algebraic expression is this. Means when we will add two expression, we will get this. One of the algebraic expression is this. Find the other. We don't know what is the other algebraic expression. So we will let the other algebraic expression be capital A. And the sum of these two algebraic expression is given, that is equal to this. Okay. So we have to get the value of A. So what we will do? We have to find out the value of A. So we will put full this expression this side. AB cube plus 5a square b square minus 12b square. This one as it is. Now we are going to write this. Minus a square b square plus 2ab square minus ab cube. Okay. Now open the bracket. Minus a square b square minus 2ab square plus ab cube. AB cube. Here also AB cube. So we will get 2AB cube. This and this completed. Now A square B square. Here also A square B square. Plus minus minus 4 A square B square. This two also completed. 12B square. There is no any other expression of B square. So we will write this one. Minus 2AB square. There is no AB square also. So this is the answer. Okay, students. Now question number 9. A stick is divided into three parts of length, this and this. You have to find the original length of the sticks. It is simple. You have to add this three expression. This plus this plus this. Like terms you can add x together, y together, z. This is simple, you can do. Question number 10. The sides of the triangle are this and this. Three sides of a triangle are given. You have to find out the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter is equal to what? Sum of the sides. So in this also you have to find out the sum of these three expression. This plus this plus this. X together you will add, y together. Okay. Next video we will discuss about multiplication and division.